Before I start this video, I'm a personal trainer and I do online coaching for a living, so if you're interested, please contact me. Anabolic Guidebook is now available. Stick around to see an overview of the book. Anabolic Guidebook is a Google document that is shared through your Gmail account. It will be updated daily regarding my monthly clients' questions. You can get lifetime access to no bullshit but pure mind-blowing anabolic recipes, cravings guide, training tips that no one tells you, and corrections to common misconceptions. It is in both Korean and English. For more information, go check Anabolic Facebook page or this video right here.
If I back it up, is it fat enough?